Let's go!
Hello, I'm Carla, and I'm going to show you how to make delicious coffee. First, we need to turn on the machine and turn on the grinder. And we need some fresh coffee beans. Let me just show you. Put the beans in the hopper. Perfect. Grind your coffee. Now squish it. Press the machine. Grab a cup. Start your timer. Get soup some milk. Or get a good quality milk. Keep the tip that's below the milk. Now we need to break the bubbles. What a beautiful crema. Not everyone is like a barista like me. With a lot of practice, you can do it. Don't forget the lid because you're going to spill your coffee. Oh, this is for my dad. I'm not drinking this because I'm too young. Always should keep your machine clean and well maintained. If you know how to make coffee, please like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. Let's do the happy dance.